Hello and welcome back to Fun Facts Online, your go-to source for the most mind-blowing facts from around the globe. Today, we're diving deep into the past, but with a futuristic twist. Imagine holding a fragile, ancient scroll, perhaps burnt to a crisp or faded beyond recognition. For centuries, deciphering these whispers from history was a painstaking, sometimes impossible task for historians and archaeologists. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence is now unlocking these ancient secrets faster and more effectively than ever before? That's right, AI is becoming the ultimate codebreaker for lost languages and damaged texts, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about paleography. That's the study of ancient writing. So, how exactly is AI pulling this off? Well, it's not magic, but it's pretty close. Think about machine learning and neural networks. These sophisticated AI systems are being trained to do some incredible things. First up, there's optical character recognition, or OCR, and handwritten text recognition, HTR. AI-powered versions of these can look at ancient scripts, even complex handwritten characters on materials that are falling apart, and transcribe them into digital text. This means we can digitize massive archives of historical documents at speeds humans could only dream of. But what about texts that are seriously damaged, say by fire, water, or just the ravages of time? This is where AI's pattern recognition abilities shine. Algorithms can look at what's left of a manuscript and intelligently predict and fill in the missing or illegible parts. A prime example is the Herculaneum scrolls. These were ancient Roman texts carbonized by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. For centuries, trying to unroll them meant destroying them. But now, researchers are using advanced scanning techniques, like X-ray imaging, combined with AI to virtually unwrap and read these fragile scrolls. It's like giving CPR to ancient philosophy. AI is also becoming a super smart detective for identifying and classifying scripts. It can analyze the tiny stylistic features of handwriting, the way a letter is formed, the slant, the spacing, to help date a document, figure out where it came from, and even authenticate it. This artificial paleography compares unknown scripts against vast databases of known examples, identifying different script types and how they varied across regions and time periods. And the sheer volume of text AI can handle is astounding. Imagine trying to manually read and cross-reference thousands upon thousands of ancient tablets or manuscripts. AI can process these enormous datasets, identifying linguistic patterns, connections between texts that might have been missed, and even predict the origins of documents that have no date. This has been invaluable for understanding languages like Linear B, the script of the Mycenaean Greeks, showing how it changed regionally and over time. Similarly, AI is helping to analyze cuneiform tablets from Mesopotamia and the vast archives of the Joseon dynasty in Korea. Perhaps one of the most exciting frontiers is using AI to try and decipher previously unreadable scripts, like the mysterious Indus script. While it's a massive challenge, I can compare these unknown scripts with known languages, identify recurring patterns, and generate hypotheses about their structure and meaning. It's like giving linguists a powerful new set of tools to crack ancient codes. We've already seen some incredible breakthroughs. The Vesuvius Challenge, a competition focused on the Herculaneum scrolls, has had teams successfully using AI to detect ink on the carbonized papyri from high-resolution scans, revealing previously unreadable Greek philosophical texts. Think about that. Words unseen for nearly 2,000 years, now brought to light by AI. Then there are the Dead Sea Scrolls. AI has been instrumental in making these texts more legible, helping reconstruct damaged sections, and even distinguishing between the handwriting of different scribes. This offers fresh insights into these incredibly important religious and historical documents. Moving to ancient Mesopotamia, AI systems like ProtoSnap are being developed to recognize and reconstruct cuneiform characters, even when writing styles vary. This could massively expand the number of translated cuneiform texts, giving us a much richer picture of life in ancient Sumer and Babylon. And it's not just scrolls and tablets. At Oxford University, an AI model called Ithaca is helping to restore damaged Greek inscriptions, the kind carved into stone, and even reevaluate their dating, which is stirring up some interesting scholarly debates. Now, as amazing as all this sounds, computational paleography isn't without its challenges. First, training AI models requires a lot of data, large, high-quality data sets of digitized manuscripts and accurate transcriptions. For some ancient languages and scripts, this data is pretty scarce. Then there's the issue of accuracy and bias. We need to make sure AI interpretations are correct and that they're not accidentally perpetuating biases present in the training data. An error in interpretation could lead to a significant misrepresentation of history, and nobody wants that. Ethical considerations are also huge. When we're talking about restoring or reinterpreting ancient texts, these decisions carry a lot of weight. It's vital to maintain the historical authenticity of these documents and ensure that any digital interventions are appropriate and actually beneficial. And finally, this isn't something computer scientists can do alone. The most successful projects are a team effort involving close collaboration between AI experts, paleographers, historians, and linguists. Human expertise is still absolutely essential for interpreting complex historical contexts and validating what the AI comes up with. The future, though, looks incredibly bright. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced systems that will give us increasingly accurate and detailed interpretations of ancient texts. This won't just deepen our understanding of the past, it will also democratize access to historical knowledge, allowing a much wider audience to engage with our shared global cultural heritage. Ongoing research, the sharing of open-source data, and these crucial interdisciplinary efforts are key to unlocking the full potential of AI in deciphering humanity's ancient written legacy. Events like the International Conference on Document Analysis and Recognition and its workshop on computational paleography are vital for fostering these collaborations. So the next time you think about AI, remember it's not just about self-driving cars or smart assistants. It's also about reaching back through millennia, giving voice to the silent storytellers of the past, and rewriting our understanding of human history. Pretty cool, right? That's all the time we have for today on Fun Facts Online. Thanks for tuning in, and join us next time for more fascinating facts. Stay curious, everyone.